What the fuck's going on?
I fucking don't know.
What the fuck is that? That's on national television. Try switching the channels. See what happens. Because I think that's what that is says installing something driver, searching for missing 2, module parameter found, installation failed.
What the fuck is that outside?
What?
I'm just kidding.
Fuck you. Scare shit out of me. No, I think that's something with I think that's a cable company. Like they're actually like trying to do something. I don't know. Weird.
Running on Linux. Does that say Red Hot Linux? The top line?
It says Red Hat, I think.
Red Hat?
Yeah.
Release.
Installing X16 driver version 2.26. Searching for missing 2 module parameter for 516S and 616S were found. Driver installation failed. Where the fuck that means?